Hey, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Saloni and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I create content on planning, productivity, personal growth, and much more. So, if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel. So, today is a beautiful Sunday morning, and I'm enjoying this rainy season and having some me time because I am someone who is always productive, keeping track of everything, following my routine, and I love planning. But lately, I have been such a mess. Let's accept this fact that you can't be productive all the time. At some points, we always have some changes in our life, in our routine, and sometimes these changes affect your life badly. The same thing happened with me. I was feeling so sad because I am not following my routines, and most importantly, I am not getting time for myself because I got a new job and right now I am having a hectic routine and I was very upset with me. So I thought to take a decision and get back my life together the way it was, the way I was. So I just wanted a fresh start, and that's why I ordered this beautiful and super helpful planner plus journal. So I thought why not review it? So if you like it, you can go ahead and buy it. So yes, in this video I am going to review this planner. So let's get started. This planner is the Fighter's Planner, which comes with 15 plus free goodies. And let me tell you, the first impression is bang on. Packaging wise, 10 on 10. This is the first thing which you are going to get, which is a small notepad which you can use to make your to-do list, or you can note some important things also. And also we have this pen. After that, you also get this sweet little letter from her. And then we have my favorite freebie. This is an affirmation card set. Here you have 45 affirmation cards and I'm very excited to use this. I also have one or two ideas how I can use this, but you can also randomly take one card every day and take that message with you for that particular day, and you can always remember for throughout the day. This is so cool and I'm loving these cards, and the fun part is that these are coming with this planner for free. Actually, this planner is so good at this price. There are so many planners in the market you get with the price of thousands or 2000 rupees, but this planner is super affordable, which is come in the range of 600 to 700, and I think it's great. Now this is a specimen copy on how you can use this planner, so you will get an idea exactly how you should use this planner. And you will get these two stickers also, so you can stick this sticker front of your desk. And then we have this cute little letter to your future self. Here you can write a letter to your future self, and this is so amazing. And then we have this weekly spreadsheet, and this is my second favorite thing. I was waiting to use this spreadsheet from so long. This is just outstanding. This is again a very useful addition. It comes with a gratitude part, and you can write down your weekly plans here. Actually, you can plan your whole week here. Then we have one more sheet in which you can explain your dreams in all the areas of your life, like your happiness, your dream home, your dream job or business, and all. Tada! Finally, we have our planner. So coming to the planner itself, you get a hardbound planner. First we have our introduction page, so you can post your picture and write your details here. Then we have things to remember, that how exactly you should use this planner. Then comes to the main part. So you get 4 pages per day and it's for 90 days, and this is totally beginner friendly planner. So let's see all the pages in detail. Here you can mention date, wake up time and intention for the day. You can add which exercise you are going to do today, and also we have top 3 priorities section. Also, if you need to do some important calls or emails, you can add that here. This is super useful section. Here you can try time blocking method. Simply you just need to block your time for a particular task. Then you can add your morning routine, and yes, this section is very thoughtful, that you can make your to-do list using this method, so you will get exact idea about which task is urgent, important and all. Then on the next page we have meal plan, and also if you are taking any medicines, then you can track it here. Then we have gratitude section, water tracker, habit tracker, expense tracker. In short, you will get everything in this planner. Also, you can add your night routine, and lastly, you can rate your day, like overall how was your day. So these 2 pages are like your planner and tracker, and we have 2 more pages for journaling. So you can write about your day, or you can answer some questions using journaling prompts. And if you want more idea about journaling, you can watch my video on journaling for beginners. So you will get that video in my description box. Now coming to the price of this amazing planner is just 749 rupees, but you will get 10% off if you use my code Saloni79. I am repeating SALONI 79. So actual price of this planner is 674. You will get a link in my description box and use my code Saloni79 and enjoy your discount. But remember, only using this link you will get actually place your order and get your planner. Don't forget to use my code to grab that 10% off. I would honestly give 10 on 10 rating on this planner. I really loved it. So go ahead and grab this planner and just look at the freebies you are getting, and just for that rate 674 is insane. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.